So this video recently popped off and it just suddenly exploded to 100,000 views. I wanted to make this video to give you guys some updated, more advice how to actually grow your small Forex accounts. A lot of you who are watching this are probably not earning that much money and you have a small Forex trading account, but you are unable to grow it. You are struggling to grow it. Oh my god, I miss those times where I'm trying to grow a stupid ass small Forex account. I remember I would deposit $100 and I will expect that it will become $100,000 one day. Too bad that day has never came, or it has not came yet. So the first tip I want to give you guys is that do not use a live account until you are ready. Do not put your hard-earned money into a live trading account until you are ready. So what does it mean? When do you know that you are ready? First thing, before you do anything, before you try out your trading strategy on your live account, you need to try it out on your demo account, right? Try it out on your demo account. And if you cannot win at least 6 out of 10 trades using that trading strategy on a freaking demo account, do not use it on a live trading account. Stupid. Remember guys, the last thing you want to do is to risk your hard-earned money on some trading strategy that you found on YouTube. Before you do anything, before you start trading your live account, you need to go and backtest that strategy and see whether it works first before trying out with your hard-earned money. Because trust me, you're gonna start losing a lot of money if you just randomly put money into your live trading account when you are not ready, when you do not have proper risk management. All of this stuff add up to determine whether you are ready or not. A good trading strategy, a trading plan, proper risk management, a trading journal, all of these things determines whether you are ready or not. Do you have any one of these 4 things? If not, you are not ready. If you have 3 out of these 4 things, you are not ready. You are only ready when you have these 4 things. The next tip is to do not over leverage. I believe a lot of you guys watching this have already made this mistake. How many times have you deposited $500 or $200 into your account, or even $50 into your trading account and use a leverage that's insane? 1:500, 1:1000 even. Use an insane leverage because you want to grow that account as fast as possible. But then you start opening a trade. You start using a lot size that is way too big for your account. Use a 0.1 mini lots for an account that has only $100. In the next 5 seconds, you go into a drawdown of 10 pips, 100 pips, and you have lost the entire account. You have blown that account. Let me ask you this serious question. How many times are you going to blow your account before you start realizing that it's not worth it to over leverage? It's not worth it to try to grow that account as fast as possible. Over leveraging only occurs when you do not have self-control. If you have self-control, use a lot size that is suitable for your account. If not, you will blow that shit. Trust me, you will blow that shit. The next tip is to have a plan. Have a trading plan, or rather have a plan or have a target on how many pips or how many percentage gain do you want to achieve for this week or today. This will really prevent you from over trading. Let me tell you a story. So in my first year of trading, or rather my first few months of trading, I remember there was one time where I deposited $500 into my live trading account and I was able to double it. So $500 went to $1,000 in one day, and then the next day it went to $2,000. So I was like consistently doubling that Forex account, and at that point of time, I felt like I was invincible. Nobody has done this before. I'm the best trader in the world. Trust me, I'm the best trader in the world. I'm not gonna lose. I'm not gonna lose the next trade. I've been winning the past 3 trades, so why the fuck do I lose? You know what I mean? So I continued doing that. And then the third day, where I managed to flip the account to $2,000 or even $3,000, right? I decided that, you know what, let's flip this account even more. So I want to flip this $3,000 to $6,000. So to do that fast, I'm gonna have to use a lot size that is very humongous. So I use a lot size of, I forgot what's the lot size, maybe a 1 lot, let's say a standard lot. And I use that, I put on that trade with a single lot size, the standard lot size, and I go into a drawdown and I end up losing the entire $3,000 that I use my hard-earned money and my hard-earned time to achieve, and I blew the entire account in less than 5 minutes. What is this mistake called? It's called over trading. Over trading occurs when you have been losing a few trades in a row, but you still continue trading because you want to get back that money. Sounds familiar? Over trading also occurs when you have won a few trades in a row and you want to make even more money because you are a greedy motherfucker and you end up losing that profits and giving the profits back to the market. Does that sound familiar? If you do any of these two things, you're over trading, man. And how you can avoid or prevent over trading is by setting a profit target or loss target for the day or for the week. An example is that, let's say during the week, my profit target is at 3%. I want to aim to make 3%, just 3% for the week. Once I reach 3%, I made 3% for the week, I'm not going to be trading. I'm going to shut off my computer and just like not look at charts at all for the week. Or let's say your loss target is 3%. Once I lose over 3% of my capital, same thing, I'm going to shut off my computer, not look at charts, and resume trading the next week. So this will really help you prevent this silly mistake or this common mistake. This will prevent you from over trading. So the next tip is to stay consistent, backtest, and keep track of what you are doing. You should be tracking all your trades when you are trading on live account. You should be tracking the losses, the wins, and find out what you can learn from these trades. And it should be consistent, and it should always backtest your trades. Okay, before you try out that trading strategy, like I said, go and backtest it first. So the next tip is do not be greedy. Do not expect to make thousands of money, thousands of dollars with a small account, because that shit takes time. And these 2 points kind of link up together, which is why I included into one tip. Do not be a greedy motherfucker. Do not expect to make millions of dollars when you only have $100 into your trading account. Is that realistic? Or is it just your greed speaking? A lot of us, when we come into this market, we have this mindset that every single Forex trader drive a Lamborghini, have a big mansion, and have stacks of cash in their hand. And this has been popularized by like modern trading gurus, where they advertise this shit to get your attention. These are marketers, these are not traders. There's a huge difference between them. So I want you to give up the expectation of making a large sum of money in a short amount of time with a small account. Because remember, just like any skill in the world, any high income skill, trading takes time. It takes a lot of time to learn. It takes a lot of time to master, because a lot of trading requires your own mindset, your own trading psychology, and that shit takes years to master. So it takes a lot of time. You can make 6 figures in trading, but it's not gonna happen in the first year or the first few months unless you are a fucking genius. You can make 6 figures within a few years. That's 100% very much possible. Think about any high income job in the world. Doctors, scientists, business owners. Do they just become rich and make millions of dollars overnight? No, they spend years and years on studying, practicing, and applying what they have learned to finally reach that level where they are making 6 figures. It takes years and years. So why are you expecting to become a millionaire trader, a rich motherfucker who have a Lamborghini in 1 month, in your first month of trading? You think God is gonna let you become rich so easy? Hell no! Just remember that ups and downs are a part of trading, or rather a part of life. And in Forex trading, you cannot expect to get results within 2 to 3 weeks or within the first 2 to 3 months where you are trading. You cannot do that. You must really make sure you test out that trading strategy on a demo account, test out yourself and your emotions on the demo account to see how you can handle virtual money before you even start trading a live account. And also make sure you stick to 1 to 3 currency pairs. Alright, I always make sure I tell my students that at any point of time, you should only be focusing on at least 3 currency pairs. Okay, that's like the 3 currency pairs. That's like the perfect number of not too many or not too less currency pairs that you should focus on. Just 3. For me, I focus on gold, AUD USD, and GBP USD. And also make sure you track all the trades that you have taken. It doesn't matter if you lost the trade or you won the trade. Track it down, record it down, so that your future self will look back and say that, oh my god, this is a stupid mistake that I made, and I will not make that stupid mistake again. You're recording the trades not for you, but for your future self to refer to, so that you can eventually become a better trader who makes more money. And like I said, use a trading strategy, backtest it to see whether it works for you, and after you have finally become successful and you are finally consistent on your demo account, you have been making money consistently every month on your demo account, then that is when you are finally ready to hop on to a live trading account and start applying the knowledge that you have learned. How do you know when you are ready to trade your live account, when you are ready to grow that small trading account? My answer is, you will know when you know. Remember, check out this video to see how to actually grow a small Forex trading account with little money. I give you like the 5 steps, or rather the 5 tips that you must take into account of. Click on this video right here to find out more, and smash on that like button if you've enjoyed this unfiltered video, and click on that subscribe button, and remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.